Here we are, August 10th, Rainshadow Organics, looking over there to the Red Fife wheat trial. And we have about 4 acres of Viking purple potatoes. And we have winter squash, all different kinds of winter squash. Different kinds of heirloom sweet corn and maize. We're looking over here at our carrots and beets. And then here's our carrot seed. We're growing the rootstock this year. And we'll be harvesting the roots, storing the roots, and planting the seed next year. Planting the roots next year and harvesting the seed.